We're going to check out Keynote animation and see how shapes can be used as motion paths. In celebration of the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, let's make the moon orbit the Earth. So we want the moon to follow a circumference of a big circle. Click on the green shaped toolbar button at the top middle of the window. A search field is revealed at the top. Type in Earth. Click and drag your favourite Earth shape into your slide. Use the yellow guides to place the shape exactly at the centre. Repeat to add a moon. Type moon into the shape search field and drag it anywhere onto your slide. The sidebar has a basic filter where you can find a circle shape. Double-click the circle and it will be placed into the slide slightly off-centre. Click and drag the placed circle using the guides to help you find centre. When the circle is selected, you'll see small white boxes. They're called handles and are used to resize your shape. Holding both the Option and Shift keys as you drag the handles will resize the circle, keeping it centered and maintaining the 1:1 aspect ratio. The big circle will be our animation path. The moon will follow the circumference. Select both objects, clicking the shape with the Shift key held down. Go to the Format menu, hover down to Shapes and Lines, select the pop-out, make Motion Path from Shape. You are asked to select which shape is going to be the motion path. As you hover the cursor, the red outline shows which one you are about to choose. Click on the circle shape. The moon will jump to its animation starting point. Note, the moon has a red diamond at the bottom, which means that it now has a motion path. The animation inspector can be found by clicking the Animate button in the top right toolbar. The Build Order button at the bottom will open the Build Order window. Use this window to see animations for the selected shape in a vertical timeline. You can delete animations from here too. The circle shape is not needed anymore since the motion path has been copied. Delete the shape by clicking the circle, then hitting the Delete key. If you select the moon, then click on the red diamond, the motion path will be revealed. Click the Preview button at the bottom of the Build Order window to see the animation. And there it is. You're not limited to circles, different shapes can be used as motion paths. The moon actually orbits the Earth along an elliptical path, so see if you can make an ellipse from a circle.